Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Hire Me. Today we have come up with a second part of mostly asked questions for Java developers. So let's begin. Let's look out for some overview of the questions which we are going to cover in this video. So these are the questions which are we going to cover up in this video going forward. So let's move on to our first question. So we have come up with the very first question of our video, which is the difference between C++ and Java. So let's see how you're gonna answer this question. The difference between C++ and Java. Now C++ is a platform dependent. It means on which OS you are going to run the program. It does matter when running a program of C++. While in case of Java, Java is a platform independent. C++ is only a compiled language, whereas Java is both a compiled and an interpreted language. Write once, compile anywhere. It means you can write the core of C++ on any of the operating system or on any of the computer, and you can run on any other computer. While Java, you can write the code once and you can run it anywhere. C++ do supports method overloading and operator overloading, while Java supports only method overloading. C++ has a scope resolution operator, while Java does not have any scope resolution operator. C++ fully supports the pointer, whereas in Java there is no concept of pointer. C++ supports multiple inheritance, while as Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. So these are a few of the basic differences between C++ and Java, which you can use as answers while being interviewing for the Java developer role. Let's move on to our next question. So our next question is, what class is a superclass of all classes and why? So if the interviewer asks you this question, like what class is a superclass, and explain what is the reason why it is called as a superclass. So let's look at the answer. Object class is a superclass of every class in Java. So the object class which is being in Java is known as the superclass of every class. The package java.lang.objectClass is the root or superclass of class hierarchy which is present in java.lang package. All predefined classes and user-defined classes are the subclasses from object class. Now let's understand what is the reason why it is known as a superclass or the root of all class hierarchy. Every object has 11 common properties, and all these properties must be implemented by every Java developer. So to reduce the burden on the developer, Sun has developed a class called Object by implementing all these 11 properties within the 11 methods, and that is the reason why Object class is called as or is named as the superclass of all the classes. Moving on to our next question. What is the use of system class in Java? So system class is used to provide access to system resources. It is one of the core class which is available in the package called java.lang.package. It provides the facilities like standard input, standard output, and error output streams. System.in in Java means to take input from the keyboard or user, and system.out in Java means to print the output to consoles. So basically system.in and system.out are some of the standard input and standard outputs which are present in the system class. Let's move on to our next question. What is an instance of keyword? So instance of keyword is used for checking if a reference variable is containing a given type of object reference or not. It returns either a true or false value. The instance of keyword is also known as type comparison operator because it compares the instance with the type. Basically, what does an instance of keyword do? It checks if the reference variable is containing a given type of object or not. Moving to the next question. What is an iterator? So firstly, understand what is meant by iteration. Iteration means looping or repetition. So an iterator in Java is nothing but an object which can be used to loop through collections like array list. We can get iterator instance from a collection using the iterator method. Moving on to the next question. What is the break and continue statement? What is the break and continue statement? Break and continue statements are nothing but the loop control statements that are used to terminate the loop or to skip some statements inside the loop without checking the testing. The break statement is used for immediate termination of the loop, while the continue statement is used for jumping from the current iteration loop to the next one. Moving on to our next question. What happens when an exception is thrown by the main method? So this is a very tricky question and it is a very frequent question which has been asked to most of the people during the interview. So answer is, whenever an exception is thrown by the main method, Java runtime do terminate the program and it do prints the exception message. So this is a very basic yet a tricky question being asked to most of the people during an interview. And better you answer it in a simplified way. Now let's understand the basic thing about throw and throws. What is the difference between throw and throws in Java? Now throw is a keyword which is used to throw an exception explicitly in the program inside a function or inside a block of code, while throws is a keyword used in the method signature used to declare an exception which might get thrown by function while executing the code. So if you get asked this question by the interviewer, what is the difference between throw and throws, then you can simply say throw is a keyword used to throw an exception, while as throw is a keyword used in the method signature to declare an exception. I hope this video has helped you in getting some knowledge about Java. Stay tuned to our channel, Hire Me. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. We are going to upload few more videos on new technologies going forward. We'll appreciate if you would like to comment and let us know what topics you want us to cover up in our next videos. We will definitely come up with a video on the same. Do keep watching our channel, Hire Me. Subscribe, like and share without fail with your friends. Spread some knowledge, help your friends by sharing our videos. We are going to come up with some new videos for you shortly. Till the time, see you soon.